Hi guys, welcome to the F Trader. I'm Kay and I've got another briefing for you guys today. But just before we jump into the charts, if you like this channel, please subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. So as we were discussing with gold, as you can see, it's still going in a sideways pattern. It's actually done a pullback today. The dollar's strengthening and it's got an inversely proportionate move to gold. I'm not quite sure if it's going to break out of this sideways pattern, but to be honest, I've actually just taken a long position here and put my stop. Let me just actually show you guys this in a better way through a Bollinger Band. So as you can see, it's broken that Bollinger Band. I kind of feel that it won't break through as it's trying to form a basing pattern. I have put my stop around the 1812, 1810 actually, to be honest, just below this low that it did a couple of days ago. So let's see how that plays out. I will be looking to getting out probably around the 1850, 1860 range. We'll see what happens with it. I've scaled into a very small position, to be honest, because it's looking quite volatile. Despite that, gold's just been going in that sideways pattern. Let's see if it's going to break out to either side, and then we'll have to reevaluate it. If I show you guys another chart that I've been looking at today, has been the pound dollar. Pound dollar is still pretty similar. It's doing a pullback here. If it makes a decent enough pullback, as discussed in my last video, we will look to take a long position, but we are in a wait and see mode. Yes, and it is a Friday, so the market tends to be more quiet towards the end of the day. And I don't really like to take positions to hold over the weekend because there could be all kinds of news coming out, and the market tends to gap on a Sunday night when it opens on the Asian side. So gonna keep an eye on this. I do want more of a decent pullback before we take a long position on the cable. So yes, we're on a wait and see mode here. Another graph I wanted to show you guys is the Euro USD. And if I go actually to a daily on this, and we have a 40 EMA here, I've kind of been looking at this, and every time it pulls close to the 40, so this purple line, it tends to break through, but it kind of does a little consolidation, breaks out again, and then kind of makes a move to the upside. I mean, it has been in a bull run, and I it's kind of acting like a little bit of a support line, this 40 EMA. So I mean, if this goes a little bit further down and it sort of does a little consolidation, I may look to take a buy position to the upside. But that again, it's a Friday as mentioned. But I'm going to keep my eye on this as well. But if we look further back here when the trend was down, again, it tends to move quite close and in tandem with this 40 EMA on a daily chart. We have had the odd volatility that it breaks through, but that's why you always need to have a stop. But I'm kind of liking this play here, so going to keep an eye out here. I can't really add much more. It's been a quiet day in the sense of being Friday, and there hasn't been anything exciting happening. No major news out, except the stimulus package that Mr. Biden has decided to give. But and I was hoping for that to actually push gold up, but gold tends to have this tendency to the dollar strengthens, it obviously inversely proportional, it moves to that opposite direction. It's kind of, the news settles and the buyers tend to come in, but it's something we're going to keep an eye out. I'm playing this range at the moment until we get a breakout to the up or the down, and then we'll have to reevaluate. Thank you for watching. If you have any suggestions, please leave them in the comment section, and hope to speak to you guys on Monday. Thanks.